Every single day, thousands of vehicles begin their journey inside one of Japan's most advanced automobile manufacturing plants.
The dimensions look correct on this one.
Excellent.
Verified and ready to move to the staging area.
Understood.
Powerful stamping machines transform flat sheets of steel into perfectly shaped doors, roofs, hoods, and body panels within just a few seconds. Before moving forward, advanced laser systems inspect every millimeter of the body, ensuring exceptional manufacturing accuracy.
Next comes one of the most fascinating stages. Hundreds of robots work together with incredible precision, creating a strong and perfectly aligned vehicle body.
The body is thoroughly cleaned and treated with protective coatings that help improve durability and resistance against corrosion over time. Inside a carefully controlled paint facility, robotic arms apply smooth and even layers of automotive paint for a premium finish.
The freshly painted body is carefully cured under controlled temperatures, creating a durable finish that maintains its appearance for years.
Now the vehicle begins to look complete. The interior, electronics, seats, and dashboard are carefully installed with remarkable attention to detail. One of the most exciting moments has arrived. The vehicle body is carefully joined with its chassis and powertrain, bringing the car one step closer to becoming road-ready. Next, precision robots install the vehicle's doors with millimeter-level accuracy, ensuring a perfect fit before the car continues down the assembly line. The windshield and windows are installed using automated systems that guarantee accurate positioning and a secure weather-resistant seal. Inside the cabin, seats, steering controls, and electronic systems are installed with remarkable attention to detail and comfort. Depending on the model, the powertrain is carefully integrated into the vehicle, where every connection is checked for maximum precision. Within seconds, advanced equipment installs and tightens every wheel, using carefully calibrated torque settings for consistent quality. Automated systems accurately fill every essential fluid, preparing the vehicle for its very first startup.
Before the engine starts, sophisticated diagnostic systems verify that every electronic component is functioning correctly.
This is an exciting milestone. The vehicle comes to life for the very first time as engineers carefully monitor its performance. To ensure weather protection, every vehicle passes through a simulated rain test, where inspectors check for perfect sealing. Before approval, every vehicle undergoes a detailed final inspection, where trained specialists carefully examine its appearance, fit, finish, and overall build quality. Specialized equipment precisely adjusts the headlights to help provide clear visibility while meeting strict manufacturing standards. The vehicle is then tested on advanced simulation equipment to verify smooth operation before it reaches customers. After testing, the vehicle receives a final cleaning and polish, giving it the flawless appearance of customers expect. Protective coverings are applied to help keep the vehicle in excellent condition during transportation to dealerships around the world. Once approved, the finished vehicles are carefully organized in large export yards, waiting for their journey to customers worldwide. Many vehicles begin their journey by truck, traveling from the factory to ports and regional distribution centers.
From Japan's ports, specialized cargo ships transport thousands of vehicles across the globe every year.
After crossing oceans, these vehicles continue their journey to dealerships, where they will soon meet their new owners.
From raw steel to a finished automobile, every step reflects precision, innovation, and teamwork. That's how it